बच्चा लोग, बूढ़ा लोग, योगी लोग, भोगी लोग, योगा के नाम पे धोखा दे सामने, क्या ये तुम्हारे संस्कार है? हाँ ये हमारे संस्कार है। मुंह में प्रवचन, बगल में कॉन्डम्स, स्वामी जी की आंखें देखो, बाहों में बाहें देखो, चटार रोड देखो, इच्छाधारी मोड़ देखो, सन्यासी दुकान में, कानों ही कान में, वायरल होते वीडियोस देखो। लोग बीमार है, लोग लाचार है, अनुलोम विलोम, अनुलोम विलोम, अनुलोम विलोम, अनुलोम। शर्म कहाँ इनके रोम रोम, सांस सांस में आ जाता है, बेचो सारा सत्संग का बाजार है। क्या ये तुम्हारे संस्कार है? हाँ ये हमारे संस्कार है, हाँ ये हमारे संस्कार है, हाँ ये हमारे संस्कार है। Please welcome our next guest on stage, people. None other than Aditi Mittal. Illusion of Ravishing, guys. That's like it. Take it over.
Ladies and gentlemen, now I understand that Farhan Akhtar came and bummed us all out a little bit with his scratchy throat. So don't worry, they've put me in a dress so tight. I think my lung capacity has been reduced by quite a bit. And I put on these shoes 30 seconds ago and I already can't feel my legs. So this is a perfect award ceremony. My name is Aditi Mittal and I'm here, of course, to introduce you to the next part of this wonderful award ceremony. Let's move on quickly to our next category. Our category is the Script Ki Pakad Ke Le Li. Nominations, of course, for these. But before that, you know, Bollywood has always understood the importance of a good script. I mean, that's why they started giving out the awards in film excellence for acting, directing and music in 1954 and then waited 14 years before giving out an award for the script in 1969. So, some silly actor one day on the set said, "Bhai, script milegi." And that's when somebody realized, "Arey yaar, the script might be important." And these films, our nominees in the next category, have kept this legacy alive of not giving a fuck about the script. Ladies and gentlemen, our first nominee is Mausam. Now, the truth is actually that Sonam Kapoor signed up for Mausam because she thought she was getting an endorsement deal with Seasons, which is the Ghagra Sari Dukan in Santa Cruz. Shahid Kapoor plays a fighter pilot who meets his lady love for 20 minutes for 10 years. I mean, apna haath Jagannath karte karte, he even ends up paralyzing his own arm. Though of course trade sources reveal that Sonam Kapoor got this role primarily because she brokered the deal between Anil Kapoor and Shahid Kapoor for Shahid's moustache. So I was just thinking about it and I can imagine Sonam standing outside the bathroom going, "Hey Shahid, Dad has taken head bath. So I'll collect the hair from the drain and I'll bring it for a moustache." Yeah. Someone's very appreciative of this. Our next nominee is Bheja Fry 2. Now, honestly, why would you go watch a film called Bheja Fry 2? Because it's less of a title of a film and more of a warning sign. Bheja Fry. Just call your film Kick in the Nuts. Just do that. Our next nominee is Our next nominee is Gandhi to Hitler. I know you guys are thinking, what? What the f? That's a film? That's the exact same thought I had. But this film is about the letters that were written between Gandhi and Hitler during the World War II. It's kind of like You've Got Mail. But with a genocidal maniac, unlike the father of the nation. But, But I thought about it and I said, in the sequel, for example, I'm sure there'll be a sequel of this because this movie was a flop. So in the sequel, what will happen? Like, how are they going to, are they going to have a chat on Yahoo Chat? Is that how they're going to communicate? And Hitler will be like, an iPad for an iPad and a Bluetooth for a Bluetooth. And Gandhi will of course respond with, lol, India mein iPad kharidega to kangal ho jayega. Our next nominee for this category, of course, is Ra1. Now, honestly, I don't think Ra1 qualifies as in the worst script category, because in order to be in this category, to have the worst script, you have to have a script in the first place. Arjun Rampal plays some kind of robot in the film, I think, which is great because he has one expression. And I feel like the entire production set for this film was basically a case of blue contact lenses, one shirt rented from Rohit Bal, and Shah Rukh Khan's ego. So our winner for this category, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, is... Chalo, kuch to jeet liya. Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, the Wonder Bra category. Recently, mankind celebrated a day that is very important to all of us. That's right, the National Cleavage Day. Because nothing requires a whole day to itself than the gap between two body parts. National Ass Crack Day next, who knows? Possibilities are endless. But with this category, we are going to celebrate the women who are not so well endowed and therefore have required some help from the Wonder Bra, or as Sunny Deol is known in certain parts of Punjab, Wonder Bra. Now, Deepika Padukone. Very often, you will see two big, giant, round things in Deepika's blouse covered in baby oil and glitter. That's Rakhi Sawant's face. Under those two giant round things, the shuttlecocks, those are Deepika Padukone's boobs. Our next nominee in this category is Anushka Sharma. वो बेचारी अपने underarms whiten करती थक गई है. Because if a man had to even look at her torso, that's pretty much where his eyes would stop. She has had to go sleeveless on him, because if she went topless on him, he would just get scared. Our next nominee for this category is Sonam Kapoor. You know, a wise man once said, being attracted to Sonam Kapoor is like being attracted to your younger brother. There's a gentleman here that's been attracted to his younger brother. Or Sonam, of course. From what I hear, Sonam and she shares her sports bras with Darshil Safari during workouts. But of course, these are just tidbits of information. Tidbits. Oh, I forgot to mention. I don't even know why she's in this category. Because, I mean, she is only boob. There's no space for a cleavage. Our winner for this category, ladies and gentlemen, is the shuttlecock badminton themed Deepika Padukone. I mean, our next category is the यार कितनी बार ये रोल करोगे category. Now, in the 80s, we had character actors who played the same role in every movie, so much so that they used to bring their own costume. Just like Dr. Barbie comes with that tiny lab coat and the plastic stethoscope, I sat down to imagine what the dolls of the following nominees would look like. There's of course the Ovi Vedya doll. The Omi Vaidya doll comes with a tattoo on his head that says loser. And one small Chotu plastic engineering degree along with a job offer letter from a US company. And of course he sings Eka Chaturana in the most fake South Indian accent. Our next doll is the Kalki coaching the Kalki doll. So now, the Kalki, you know what, I have a problem with Kalki. Because yaar ye Kalki, Jacqueline Fernandez types ki, they come from outside. And then they start hitting on men like Anurag Kashyap and Sajid Khan. I'm like, yeah, like an Indian man's ego is not big enough already. But that's just me being angry on the side. Yeah, Kalki doll, let's talk about that. So, the Kalki doll of course comes with a razor, a bottle of pills, a half-drunk bottle of whiskey. And you stop laughing at her, otherwise she will write your name in her suicide note. Stop it. Basically, she's like the bleached version of Kangana Ranaut. Our next nominee in this category is Kiran Kher. Now, as a Punjabi, I have to tell you, I've realized that I've forgotten what my own mother looks like. Because every time I try to imagine her, I see Kiran Kher. But then I realized that that would mean that Anupam Kher was my father. Which is cool, because maybe like Sikandar Kher, I'll get some free workshops in actor prepares. I'm excited about that, there's possibilities there. The Kiran Kher doll, of course, would come with a glass of lassi and a paratha. And every time you press her stomach, she'll say, Beta, khana kha lo. Beta, khana kha lo. Beta, khana kha lo. Our next nominee for this category is the Sanjay Dutt doll. Now, see, after, when they ran out of the druggy hero with a mullet script ideas in the early 90s, Sanjay Dutt found himself jobless. But very soon, of course, he just got this new avatar with a bloated stomach and the missing teeth. Like a body that was found in the opening scenes of a CID episode. Came his lovable role. That role as the lovable gangster, Munna Bhai. Yeah, as it turns out, his jail stint in 1994, he was just rehearsing for this role. Character study ho rahi thi. It's not like he actually went to jail. So the winner of this category is Omi Vaidya. Our next category, of course, is the Madam Zara Sambhal Ke Award. Now, मेरी दादी कहती थी, बेटा, everything is good in moderation, except boobs. I added that last part, but you have a problem when your boobs are flailing just to get away from you. So the following nominees have been nominated for the Madam Zara Sambhal Ke or the Madam Aapka Button Khula Hai award. Of course, our first nominee in this category is Kangana Ranaut. Now, I know none of you are looking at me at this point, so I could say really anything and it would barely matter. But I mean, an interesting thing about Kangana is that scientific evidence has revealed that the size of Kangana's boobs is inversely in proportion with her talent. You know how in plastic surgery, they suck the fat out of one part of your body and put it somewhere else? With Kangana, they just sucked the talent out of one part of her body and put it in her boobs. So I think, because she went from Gangster, winning an award for being the best actress in Gangster, to being the actual award for showing up to work for Ajay Devgan and Sanjay Dutt in Rascals. And our next nominee, of course, is Malika Sherawat. Malika Sherawat is pretty much the only export from Asia that the US does not want to take over. I feel like she's played more naughty body parts than actual humans. She played what? A snake in Hiss. She played what? The double dhamal in Double Dhamal. That's Malika Sherawat for you. Our next nominee in this category is Amisha Patel. Now, Amisha Patel's two biggest hits came very early in her career. Her left boob and her right boob. At a recent party, if the press is to be believed, which it never is, at a recent party it was reported that Sanjay Dutt told Amisha Patel to cover up herself with her pallu. Now you know you have a problem when Sanjay Dutt, the man who has bigger boobs than you, Amisha. Well, and the winner for this category is Kangana Ranaut, ladies and gentlemen. Our next category, ladies and gentlemen, is the Papa Kehte Hain Awards. You know, these are the people that when somebody asks you, hey, tu janta mera baap kaun hai? You tell them, हाँ भाई, इसीलिए तेरे को घास दे रहे, चुपचाप बैठ. So, our first nominee for this category is Chirag Paswan. Now, Chirag Paswan is actually the son of famous politician Ram Vilas Paswan. He's a politician, not a gutka brand. Just want to clarify. Though I feel like Hum Tum or Paswan has a very nice ring to it. In a country where people show up more willingly to a movie theatre than the voting booths, Paswan's film career is a bigger flop than his father's political career. With his debut film, Mile Na Mile Hum, we all decided, ji bhai, mile na. Our next nominee for this category is Sonam Kapoor. Now, Sonam Kapoor is a total daddy's girl. Because there is nothing like a father and daughter bonding activity like sharing razors or figuring out interesting moustache shapes. Sonam she started her career in Bollywood in spite of the fact that, I'll be honest, she would make a better biology teacher. Because no, really Sonam, tell me, where does a tree get its strength from? Oh, roots? Is that what you're... Amazing. See, I remember that. Our next nominee in this category is, of course, Abhishek Bachchan. I feel like so many careers have started and ended, and Abhishek Bachchan is still making his debut. I know कि public की memory short है, but it's not very easy to forget Drona. Just say. The truth is, just say, Amitabh Bachchan had 11 flops before he had his first hit. I think they're just waiting for him to have 111 flops before, tab tak lage rahe. Our last nominee in this category, of course, is Mimo Chakrabarti. Mimo's first film was so bad that his co-star, the only only person agreeing to be his co-star in his second movie was a ghost. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner for this category is Well, ladies and gentlemen, that brings me to the end of this beautiful journey with you. But before that, let me bring on stage Sahil Vaid. He's an actor, so he's pretending to be a stand-up comedian today. Be nice, be kind, and a huge round of applause for Sahil Vaid.
मैं दिल्ली से माफ कर दो, गलती हो गई, आ गया यहाँ पे। मैं साहिल हूँ। I'll be taking you through the next category of awards, rather dragging you through it. I'm an actor और मैं नसीरुद्दीन शाह के थिएटर ग्रुप में नौकरी करता हूँ एज एन एक्टर। उनके साथ प्ले करता हूँ और उसमें एक्टिंग भी करता हूँ। So the first category today that I have for you is the most डरावना चेहरा ऑन टेलीविजन अवार्ड। क्या टीवी पे डरावने चेहरे नहीं देखे होते हैं? The first nominee that I have for you is Mr. संजय दत्त। ये बिग बॉस पे बच्चों को डराने आए थे। आपको याद होगा लास्ट ईयर इनकी वाइफ ट्विंस के साथ प्रेग्नेंट थी। इस साल ये खुद ट्विंस से प्रेग्नेंट दिख रहे हैं। संजय दत्त। Always wanted to be him. I don't want to be him now. Okay. The next nominee that I have is Preeti Zinta. इनका चेहरा डरावना है। इनसे घर पे जाके मिलो, तब पता लगेगा। इन्होंने अभी अपना एक नया चैट शो शुरू किया है, जिसका मेन पर्पस ये है कि इंडस्ट्री में जिस किसी के पास भी माल हो, नहीं वो वाला माल नहीं है, जिस किसी के पास भी माल हो वो सीधे प्रीति जिंटा के पास पहुंचे। ऐसे इनके चैट शो का कोई भी नाम हो, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। इनका घर तो हमेशा कोक स्टूडियो जैसा ही दिखता है। My next nominee for this category today is I'm gonna act like her. Archana Puran Singh, yeah. पता है, I've been trying my best. मैं पिछले कुछ दिनों से सोच रहा हूँ, बहुत दिमाग लगा रहा हूँ। दिल्ली वालों से दिमाग लगता नहीं, कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। मुझे आज तक ये नहीं समझ आया यार, ये हंसती किस बात पे है? जोक होता है तो हंसती है, जोक नहीं होता तो हंसती है, सुनामी होती है तो हंसती है, इलेक्शन हो रहा होता तो भी हंसती रहती है। बाद में मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि इनके हस्बैंड परमीत सेठी ने एक फिल्म बनाई थी, बदमाश कंपनी। बस उसी को याद करके हंसती रहती होंगी। परमीत ने फिल्म बना दी, क्या फालतू फिल्म बनाई है, शायद तो ले लिया। I still don't understand why she laughs. In fact, अगर मैं परमीत सेठी होता, तो I would sing a song for her. हाँ, I'll be a good husband. So, अगर मैं परमीत सेठी होता, तो I would sing a song for her. It would go something like, any James Blunt fans here? Good. No James Blunt fans. It would go something like, my life is tragic. My wife's a whore. I saw the bitch. Her face was sore. It's going good, no? We should do this with music, don't you think? Yeah? Play that? Yeah? All right. Yeah, you can clap along and all. You ready for this? Really? It's the Parmeet Sethi mix. My life is tragic. It's like the real thing, only with Parmeet Sethi and Archana Puran Singh. My life is tragic. My wife's a whore. I saw the bitch. Her face was sore. She smiled at me on the subway. She was laughing like a witch. I'd rather lose on, sleep on that, 'cause she's got huge tits. You're hideous. saw your face in a weird place, and I don't know where to begin. 'Cause I could never be with you. I would sing that for Archana Puran Singh, but still, she's just a nominee. Let's not give her that much importance. Yeah? Our next nominee for the same category is Simi Garewal, our very own Benjamin Button. मुझे याद है जब इनकी लास्ट फिल्म देखी थी तो मैं बच्चा था, और मेरी फिल्म आने वाली है, अब ये बच्ची लगती है। क्लास है। But ये इतनी वाइट है, शी सो वाइट कि एक बार एकता कपूर ने इनको जीतू जी समझ के तुषार कपूर का हाथ इन्हें पकड़ा दिया था। पापा के पास रहो, मैं शूटिंग करके आती हूँ। But with all due respect, she is the most layered personality we have in our country. No, you think I'm joking? She's the most layered. She's got at least 20 layers of makeup. And the winner is Archana Puran Singh. If someone finds out why she laughs, please send me an email. The next category that I have for you today is नादान टीनेजर को उल्लू बनाया अवार्ड, जिसमें हम देंगे सम्मान उन सब लोगों को जिन्होंने 2011 में टीन फिल्म्स के नाम पे फुल चूतिया बनाया। सनसनी, फुल चूतिया बनाया। The first nominee in this category I have is Always कभी कभी। क्यूट फिल्म ना? ये शाहरुख खान की रेड चिलीज की फिल्म थी। But the only saving grace for this film was कि ये रावण नहीं थी। इस फिल्म में SRK ने एक आइटम सॉन्ग भी किया था, और सिर्फ उस आइटम सॉन्ग की बदौलत पूरी फिल्म की कास्ट एंड क्रू की एवरेज एज 40 साल बढ़ गई। It's a clean film. The second nominee that I have for you today, the same category, is Love Ka The End, LUV, not LOVE, LUV. I think it's a very honest name. इससे सच्चा किसी फिल्म का नाम हो ही नहीं सकता। अगर इस फिल्म के नाम के माफ कीजिएगा दिल्ली से हूं, पहले 2 लेटर्स और लास्ट के 2 लेटर्स को जोड़ दो, LU और END, तो फिल्म का असली नाम निकल आता है। बड़ा टेक्निकल नाम रखा है लोगों ने, वेरी टेक्निकल। The next nomination in the same category, ladies and gentlemen, is a film called मुझसे फ्रेंडशिप करोगी। फ्रेंडशिप, किसी चंडीगढ़ वाले ने नाम रखा है इसका। सडनल फ्रेंडशिप करेंगी, फ्रेंडशिप। वैसे ये नाम इन लोगों ने इसलिए नहीं रखा कि because they wanted to sound cool। अब चंडीगढ़ वाले ने रखा है तो उनको फ्रेंडशिप की यही स्पेलिंग आती थी तो चुपका। Okay, the next nomination that I have for you in the same category is a film called वो ब्रेक के बाद। इसमें थे दीपिका पादुकोण और इमरान खान। बस यही तो गलती हो गई। नहीं, गलती ये नहीं थी कि इन दोनों को ले लिया। अब टीनेजर बनने का ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस तो कंस मामा आमिर खान को है ना, मूंछें उगाने का भी उन्हीं को ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है, बॉडी बनाने का भी उनको है, भूलने का भी उनको ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस, मामा बनने का भी एक्सपीरियंस है, शादी करने का भी ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है। तो the winner for this category of नादान टीनेजर को उल्लू बनाया award goes to the film which had Shakti Kapoor's daughter in it, Love Ka The End. And in short, you know what it is. Very technical. Moving on to the next category of awards, the award for shit which you eat on TV. I think it's a wrong award. There's no shit on particular to be awarded on TV. Everything's shit. Though I think इस कैटेगरी में 4 nominations निकालना हमारे लिए सबसे ज़्यादा difficult काम था. The whole television industry falls into this category. तो हमने वही तरीका इस्तेमाल किया जिससे टीवी चैनल पे प्रोग्राम बनाने वाले अपने शोज के आइडिया सेलेक्ट करते हैं. What we did was हमने इन सारे शो नेम्स को पर्चियों पे लिखा, चिट्स पे, और नहीं ऐसे ही नहीं निकाल लिया. बता रहा हूँ. चिट्स में लिखा, उसके बाद हमने उसको अच्छे से रोल किया जैसे लकी ड्रॉ वाले नाटक करते हैं. हाँ हमने रोल कर लिया. एंड देन वी लेफ्ट इट ऑन द स्ट्रीट कॉर्नर. शाम तक जिन जिन चिट्स को बकरी, गाय, सुअर ने खा लिया, हमने उन चिट्स में से सिलेक्ट नहीं किया. हमने उन लोगों को सिलेक्ट किया जिन्हें गाय, बकरी और सुअर तक ने रिजेक्ट कर दिया. क्योंकि चैनल वाले भी वही सामान टीवी पे डालते हैं, तो हमने भी नॉमिनेट कर दिया. The first nomination is Comedy Circus. I'm sorry but मुझे लगता है कि किसी को आज तक ये शो समझ ही नहीं आया. No, आप लोगों को भी नहीं आया. I guarantee you. मैं समझाता हूँ. See, लोगों को लगता है कि this show is about comedians doing some comedy and Archana Puran Singh laughing. No, the show is the other way around. हाँ, जो भी उस दिन का वो सड़ा हुआ फेल्ड एक्टर को जज आता है ना, अर्चना उस पे हंसती है. वो सोहेल खान, अरबाज खान टाइप्स. मैं अरबाज खान नहीं लग रहा, बता रहा हूँ, दिल्ली वाला हूँ, फोड़ दूंगा. एंड बीच में अर्चना को ब्रेक देने के लिए कभी कभी कॉमेडियंस कॉमेडी भी करते हैं. उस पे आप लोग, हम लोग जो टीवी पे देखते हैं वो. The second nomination that we have today is मुझे मारेगा कोई, मैं एक्टर हूँ. बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं. यस, सबने देखा है ये शो. ये शो का नाम राम कपूर के मैन बूब्स की वजह से रखा गया है. बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं. बड़ा आई होप आप लोगों को पता होगा राम कपूर और साक्षी तंवर ने फाइनली सेक्स कर लिया है. Yeah, woo! Whatever makes you happy. Finally, Ram Kapoor got some much-needed exercise. But seriously, how sex-starved can we be as a nation to watch a middle-aged couple having sex on TV? Anyways, the next nomination that I have for you is no one particular show. All the shows on UTV Bindas. For people who haven't seen this channel yet, it's a yeah. इन लोगों ने प्रॉमिस किया था भाई कि ये यूथ कंटेंट दिखाएंगे. हैं? दिल्ली से मेरे सारे दोस्तों को पकड़ के ले गए, पता नहीं जानवर बना के टीवी पे दिखा दिया. शुक्र है भगवान का कि मैं नहीं गया. इनके लिए यूथ कंटेंट का मतलब है गालियां देना, गलोच, लड़ाई करना है. अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड पे चीटिंग कर लो, अपनी बॉयफ्रेंड पे चीटिंग कर लो, या कोई भी है उस पे चीटिंग कर लो. जब इन सबसे टाइम बच जाए तो अपने बाल कलर कर लो, कहीं पियर्सिंग करवा लो, मेंढक खा लो, डड्डू खा लो, सब खा लो. बेसिकली दिस इज MTV Roadies made into a 24-hour channel. टेंशन मत लो, अभी बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं भी चैनल बनने वाला है. क्यों? आज तक चैनल नहीं बन गया. The next nomination I have for you is something I don't even know about. I don't know about this. देवनागरी में लिखा है साथिया. क्या निभाना, क्या निभाना? क्या है? It's a TV show. मैं भी पढ़ने चला गया. And the winner is The Unknown Show on Star Plus. Something निभाना. हाँ. तो ladies and gentlemen, मेरे पास इतना ही था. I'm going. This Delhi wala had only this much to throw at you.